Welcome to WebStarPlus. In this video, I will show you how to search inside YouTube channel for exact video that you are looking for. To search YouTube video inside YouTube channel, click on search icon on the YouTube channel. Type in search keyword and hit enter. As you can see, it found a lot of videos. But this YouTube channel search will show broad search results from the channel. To search exactly what you are looking for, use quotes around search keyword or key phrase. Hit enter. And now YouTube search will return only videos that have exact search term in video title or video description. So to find exact videos inside YouTube channel, use quotes around your search term. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.